Welcome to Core English Level 2, Lesson 6. In this lesson, we are going to cover how to ask questions in English. Questions help us get information, check understanding, continue a conversation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to turn a sentence into a question, ask simple yes-no questions, ask basic information questions. A question is a sentence that asks for information. When we ask a question, we usually expect an answer. Our voice often goes up at the end when we speak. Here are examples. A sentence, "You are ready." As a question, "Are you ready?" "She works here." As a question, "Does she work here?" Some questions can be simply answered with yes or no. We call these yes or no questions. Some examples of these are, do you like apples? Is it hot tomorrow? Can I use the car today? Let's look at this sentence. She is fit. To ask a simple question, we change the order. Is she fit? Here's another example. He is at home. Is he at home? When a sentence uses am, is, or are, we move that word to the front. Here are statements. I am late. She is here. They are ready. And here they are as questions. Am I late? Is she here? Are they ready? Notice, the meaning stays the same, only the order changes. Some sentences do not use am, is, or are, but they use do, does. Here are statements. He plays soccer. You live nearby. And as questions, does he play soccer? Do you live nearby? It is important to note, do is used with I, you, we, they. Does is used with he, she, it. Some questions ask for specific information, not yes or no. Common question words. What asks about things or actions. Where asks about place. When asks about time. Here are some examples. When does the class start? What do you want? Where are they going? These questions need more information in the answer. In this lesson, you learned what a question is, how to ask yes-no questions, how to use am, is, are, do, and does, how to ask basic information questions. Asking questions helps you use real English in real situations. In the next lesson, we will cover joining ideas into sentences. Now, download your practice sheet for Lesson 6 at our website, coreenglish.org, and do not forget to do the drills. And again, help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel.